Hi, today we're going to be taking you through the home for the Department of Applied Technology, the Center for Applied Technology in Sculpture. Here we walk in the front door and we see the atrium. Next, we're going to move into the main office. Here we see the Drafting and Design Laboratory. Connected to this is our STEM laboratory, which houses features such as 3D printers and a laser etching machine. Next, we come up to our woods and metal shop, which house all brand new equipment. First we see the wood shop, and then we come to the metal shop. Next, we move up to the upper level of the building. Here we see the room for construction management, where many of the classes for construction management are held. Next, we come over to the robotics lab. Here we see the plastics lab, which contains things like compression molders, injection molders, and vacuum forming machines. Next, we move over to the Graphic Communications Lab. Finally, we head back downstairs to the atrium. To conclude, we have a short interview with our department chair, Mr. Stewart.
Technology building affect the department?
If I had to come up with one word that would describe this building, it'd be extraordinary. And the reason that I would come up with that one word is because of all of the aspects that are taking place in this building. But specifically, how has the building changed? What's happening in the department? The layout of the building itself lends itself to the exact type of curriculum that we're looking for. And of course, we've built our programs around STEM applications: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And so consequently, we've built labs around those situations also. I think the outside of the building blends in tremendously with the Ford Hayes look that we have around campus. And I also believe that it has unique features with the X's on the outside of the front of the building that also, as you're driving by, would gather, the interest of people and say, what's happening in that building, okay? I think that the entranceway with the metal, the steel that's around it also lends itself to say that there's something different happening in this particular building. When you enter the building, we have areas for engineering, design, technology. We have areas for construction management. We have areas for manufacturing. We have areas in the building for foundry and sculpture and those types of things that are artistic, along with the things that are technical with the Department of Applied Technology. And so the building is unique and the building's extraordinary. And so those things are a big attraction to students that are coming to Fort Hays State University.
Okay. How does this Applied Technology Department at FHSU stand out from other universities?
I think again, if we start doing some type of word association again, extraordinary stands out in my mind again. And the reason for that is that our faculty are extraordinary faculty members. Each of them have specific areas that they are experts in. They give time to students. They're willing to go that extra mile to make sure that a student is successful. I also think that we've went through the process of becoming ATME accredited, the Association of Technology, Management, and Applied Engineering. Okay, those things are important as young people start looking for university. And they can see that Fort Hays State University has an accreditation process. That tells them that we're working hard to make sure that the curriculum is such that once they've earned a degree, that degree is aligning them with things that are important to business and industry people. So that would be another thing that I think would kind of set us apart. Another aspect is our business partnerships that we have with our students taking on internships as part of the curriculum. We find them a position to go out and earn some experience with people in the job market, and consequently, I think that in turn is developing great relationships. And those businesses and industries are coming back to Fort Hays, specifically the Department of Applied Technology, so that they can get those type of individuals to come and work in their particular respective industries.
All right. And where do you see this department in 10 years?
This department is growing. In 2012, we had 105 students as majors. We have 180 students right now. And so what I see happening is that we are going to have to add more professors as we grow this department. And when we get to add more professors, I think we're going to add a little bit more diversity to the curriculum base. And what I mean by that is that those individual professors are going to bring more things to the table. And so we're going to have more experience than we've ever had at Fort Hays State University in Department of Applied Technology in respect to engineering design technology, in respect to construction management, in respect to manufacturing, and even power and energy and transportation. And then as we grow and develop articulation agreements with community and technical colleges, we have the Bachelor of Science and Technology Leadership that we can also entice people to come in through that particular pathway and earn a BS degree in our department. So I see the department growing in leaps and bounds in the next few years, and the addition of faculty members is going to only enhance this program of study.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Mm-hmm.